Hello, Mr. Bregman. Maybe it's Jimmy Hoffa.
I wanted anonymous because my stepdad worked for James Hoffa. I understand that, but I also been there for 7 years. So what about that? So don't get cocky with me, all right? Hold on, the damn screen locked.
I'm changing your screen name just for my benefit. So hold
I fell
on.
asleep long as I was waiting on you guys.
Well, I've got a lot of cases, so
That's
and a
all
lot
right.
of people
That's what I
need
heard.
to. Oh, okay. So Miss Miller, today is the date and time set for a motion for entry of order. And you should have received a packet with a proposed judgment of paternity and support. Did you receive that?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
I didn't.
Okay, I was asking her first, but you did, Miss
all right.
Miller? I'm
Yes.
not talking to you, Mr. King, so wait till I call your name and then ask you a question. So Miss Miller, you received the packet, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, so Mr. King, the address we have for you is on Hickory Street in Morenci. Is that your address?
That's enough. I want my address anonymous.
All right, I have no idea what you just said. Can you sit up and
I'd
hold the
like-
phone better so I can get audio?
I'd like my address anonymous.
You want what? I can barely hear you. You're muffled.
Hold on, the damn screen locked. Can you hear me now?
A little bit better. So is that your address?
Yes, it's an address, but it's an anonymous address. It's for mailing only.
Well, it's not anonymous because it was given to us
Well,
and it's in the public record.
Well, I wanted anonymous because my stepdad worked for James Hoffa, allegedly.
Well, Mr. Hoffa's,
Yeah, I know that.
okay. So, Mr. King,
That still doesn't take care of the matter.
okay. So Mr. King, we mailed a copy of a proposed judgment to you at the address you gave us. Did you receive it?
It got mailed to that address, but it also got tore up.
Did you tear it up?
No, I didn't.
Okay, who tore it up?
I didn't tear it up. I can tell you that right now.
Okay, well, it's a federal offense to interfere or destroy mail. So did somebody do that to you?
I don't have it. I can tell you that.
Okay, so Mr. King, did you get to read it before somebody destroyed it?
I don't have it.
Did you read it was my question, not did you have it? Did you read it?
I didn't know nothing about the court date today other than what I was supposed to find out, that I had $250 coming out of me. And I'm like, no, when I've been around for a long time, I just don't agree with nothing. But I can guarantee you I didn't pay
Well, it doesn't matter
it
whether
up.
you agree with it or not. All right.
I'm on disability, so I don't agree with it.
Well, disability doesn't mean you
Because
can't
you
support a
guys,
child.
I understand that, but I also been there for 7 years. So what about that? So don't get cocky with me, all right?
All right, so Mr.
Oh,
King,
I
I'm
don't
gonna set this
appreciate
for
it.
another day, and I'm gonna make
All
you
right,
come
thank
in
you.
person. So, Mr.
Okay,
King,
thank you.
you better stop talking. I'm gonna set this for another day, and I'm gonna need you to come in person so we can read the proposed judgment. Mr. Bruggeman's gonna mail another copy to the address we have in Morenci. So you make sure you get it. And then I'm gonna set this for Miss Adams. Could I have another date, please?
I'll tell you why I want my address anonymous. Carlton Road address was about a week ago, so I want my address anonymous, period.
Mr. Bruggeman, how would he go about getting his address suppressed?
Because right after the cops were there at 12:30 one night, there was
All right,
there was
Mr.
a
King,
drive-by
hold on.
shooting.
I'm waiting for a date for our next hearing. So hold on. Miss Adams?
All right.
We have the next paternity hearings August 27th at 8:15.
All right, so Mr. King, I'm giving you notice on the record, so I would suggest you write it down. Our next court date for this will be August 27 at 8:15 in the morning, and I'm asking for you to come in person, and perhaps you'll be a little bit more respectful in person instead of hiding behind your phone. So August 27.
What do you mean? Wow.
August 27
God.
at 8:15. And you need to be in person. So we'll see you back on
God.
August 27 at 8:15. Thank you.
Yep. Have a good day.
You too.
How much do you make an hour?
$10 an hour.
He makes $20 an hour, and
How do you know this?
because I have bank statements at my house that I have right here in front of me.
From
Wait,
Well, you know, he makes deposits every Friday at his banking account.
Mr. Calkins's bank statements come to your house. They're mailed to your house.
Yes, sir.
All right. And you open them.